Hello, everyone. Welcome to another session for another subtopic. So, in this subtopic, we get to look into the significance of Filipino values. So, why do we give importance, or why is it important for us to practice and to uphold Filipino values? So, there are importance that I can mention in this session. First is that it preserves cultural identity. So, Filipino core values are integral to the nation's cultural identity, reflecting the traditions, and social norms of the Filipino people. Like, say, for example, values like bayanihan or our community spirit. This highlights the importance of unity and cooperation, which are key aspects of Filipino heritage. Another importance is that when we practice Filipino values, we foster social harmony. And these values promote harmonious relationship within families and communities by encouraging behaviors that prioritize the well-being of others. Like pakikisama or our smooth interpersonal relationships helps maintain peace and cooperation in group settings. Then we have the importance of strengthening family bonds. So values such as utang na loob or our debt of gratitude emphasize the importance of familial ties and mutual support, strengthening family structures. Example, there we have to or we get to do some acts of gratitude and repay the kindness that was reinforced to us by connections between family members and generations. Next is it enhances community resilience. So community-centered values like our bayanihan value contributes to building resilient communities that can only or that can collectively address challenges and support each other, like our communal efforts in times of disaster or need demonstrate the power of collective action. Next is it guides our personal conduct. So the values like the hiya or our sense of shame and kapwa or our shared identity provide ethical guidelines for personal behavior, encouraging individuals to act with respect, humility, and empathy. For example, respectful behavior and consideration for others' feelings foster a positive social environment. And last but not the least, practicing Filipino values promotes national unity. So shared values creates a sense of national unity and pride, bringing people together regardless of regional or socioeconomic differences. Let's say, like we get to celebrate some national holidays and some cultural events that emphasizes common values, strengthening our national solidarity. So that is why it is important that we revisit our Filipino values, illustrating how it influences various aspects of life and society. So to sum up this session, we should remember that values play an important role in in the integration and fulfillment of man's basic impulses and desires stably and consistently appropriate for his living. Values affect our behavior and serves as our benchmarks in how we respond to others. Values are learned. Values define our individual differences. And lastly, values can differ from culture to culture and even person to person. So embracing our Filipino values isn't just about tradition, but it is also about understanding our identity. And each value tells a story of our ancestors, our struggles, and our unity. So that ends our session. So I hope that you have learned something from the lessons that we have discussed in the general lesson on understanding values and specifically from our from the lesson on Filipino values. And I hope that you get to embody the Filipino values that you have practiced, uphold those Filipino values that were discussed. So, if you have questions for this session, you may ask your facilitator for help. Thank you everyone for listening and have a good day.